What's up guys, this is Kai24 back at your screens, and today I bring you another fantastic tech video. And if you guys saw my last video, you saw that I finally started a new vlog series, like an episodic vlog series that's going to be based around tech, content creation and so forth, to match the kind of style of my channel. Now in that video I mentioned that video was supposed to have been done, that vlog was supposed to have been done with the brand new Sony ZV-E10 or ZV-E10 if you're in America and you say Z instead of Z, and I don't know which is correct. What is correct, Z or Z? It doesn't matter. The new ZV-E10 Sony vlogging camera. This camera has kind of been kicking around for a little while in kind of a beta mode. A lot of the more well-known YouTubers have managed to get their hands on this. Sony have sent them out to them to kind of review and test, and I've had to go out and purchase this bad boy myself. However, they are kind of advertising this as made for vlogging. Now, I don't know about made for vlogging, but it definitely is looking to be a camera that's made for content creation. Anyway, my last video was meant to have been done completely on this camera, more or less completely on this camera, to test out how it really is for vlogging. And I really do want to do my first vlog episode with this camera. However, there was a problem with the supply and I couldn't get it on release day, which means that I couldn't do this unboxing video on release day and then move on to do that vlog the following day. So here I am now, finally got my hands on it, finally got it delivered to me, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a very quick unboxing. This isn't going to be a review video, this is going to be a pure unboxing video, just going to look at what it looks like, what's included in the box, and and then we're just going to go from there, and I'm going to test it out for a couple of days, see how it is, see how I like it. As you guys know, I am an avid Canon user. All of my cameras have been Canon cameras. All my kind of gear is Canon related gear. So this is slightly different. I did own a Sony a5100 before, but I didn't really like using that, and then I sold it off. And then anyway, Sony ZV-E10. Let's get to that unboxing after this intro. Right, so we're going to start off by kind of sliding this out. Oh, something popped out. Where is this? Sony 1 year extended warranty. So they're giving you a 1 year extended warranty if you sign up to them after you purchase this. So as you can see from the packaging, it is quite nice. Made for vlogging. They're really advertising this. And it looks like Sony are doing quite ingenious things with their camera gear right now, where they are kind of tailoring it to videography and vlogging and content creation. You can see a lot of the newer Sony cameras have got more jam-packed features that are tailored more towards the video, whereas Canon is kind of sticking to their traditional photography plus with video on the side kind of thing. However, their more recent cameras like the R5 and the R6 have had a lot more better video features. But if you want to do the whole Sony versus Canon thing, then be my guest in the comments below. Just let me know, what do you use to film your videos with? What do you use for your content creation? Is it Sony or is it Canon or is it something completely different? And which do you prefer? Anyway, that's not the topic here. So this is a Sony camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, there we go. I'm going to peel that off, open that up. And here we've got your usual kind of paperwork. So you've got your manual, warranty card, lens accessories, just advertising stuff. You've got your register your product leaflet. So that's your kind of general paperwork that you're going to get. So we're going to flip this box open. So sorry, I don't have a secondary camera anymore to film a secondary shot of this, so you're just going to have to make do with how I'm showing you right now. So inside the box you get everything that's in here. So let's see what we got. We got here at the top, I'm looking at, this is the muff. This is the headphone muff. So if you can see that there, that's the headphones, not the headphone, the microphone muff that comes with the camera. So if you look at the picture on the image, the picture on the box of the camera, you can see at the top there's a little microphone muff, because it has got a slightly larger inbuilt microphone, and it's probably a wind muff to protect from that. So you're going to put that there. You've got your Sony battery. You've got a nice little strap. Yeah, got a camera strap, which I would probably never ever use. You've got a, looks like an EU or a US plug, I don't know. You've got a European plug, you've got the UK plug, you've got your USB-C cable, which is used for charging, and then in the box you have also got your charger. So you've got a USB A port on one side, so this probably plugs into here, this plugs into your power cable, and then that charges your camera, and I'm pretty sure that you can charge it with any high-powered USB-C camera. And then you've got the camera itself. So this is the version, I say version, this is the version with the lens with it. So it comes with the 15 let me just figure out taking this out. There we go. This does come with the 16 to 50 f3.5 to f3.5 to 5.6 OSS lens. And here we are. This is the camera in all its glory. I am gonna have some B-roll kind of popping onto the screen just to show you what the camera looks like. But here we are, your standard kind of kit lens that comes with most Sony mirrorless cameras is the 16 to 50 millimeter, and then you've got this camera in all of its glory. So looking at it and feeling it, it is quite light. I've already touched and smudged up the screen. So back a bit. Yep, so you've got a nice articulating screen here which kind of opens up, and this is obviously how you would do your vlogging, which kind of makes sense. So you do your vlogging like that. So it's a nice open articulated screen. It can flip around, close, and all of that. At the top here you've got what I'm presuming is a microphone grill. So this is probably, you've got this large kind of microphone grill that you can see. I'm not sure if that focused on there, but you've got this large microphone grill at the top here. At the top you've also got your on-off buttons. You've got a very quick button here just up there, so I'll probably show this on the screen as well, as a kind of a B-roll scene. You've got this button here which swaps between your photo, video, and slow motion mode very quickly. So by looking at it, yeah, photo, video, slow motion mode. I've already watched a bunch of the reviews, so I kind of know what to expect from the camera, but it is really nice to have my own hold on it. You've got this nice textured grip on the side here. So you've got this nice, very textured grip. I always do like the kind of grips that Sony cameras come with. Even the A5100 had this kind of nice little grip on the side, which is kind of easy to hold the camera with. You've got your record button on the top, which isn't a tiny record button like you get with most kind of mirrorless cameras or most cameras that are photo oriented. This is a big, chunky boy record button. You can't miss it. Press the record button and it starts recording. Your general kind of capture button is here as well, with a digital zoom option for lenses that are compatible with it. And then you've got your usual kind of dials here. That's a dial as well. So on the back of the camera or the front of the camera, however you want to say it, you've got the dial here, which is your menu dial. You've got all your other menu options. And yeah, that's really it. All right, so I've just really quickly set it up, and yeah, I mean, looking at it and everything like that, it is quite good. I'm not going to really show you any footage from this just yet. I do want to have a proper play around. On the side here, I've got a USB and a HDMI port, and there is also a microphone port up here on the top side. So if you do want to add an additional microphone to it, you can. Now if I take this little muff and it's a hot shoe muff, it doesn't have any connectors or anything like that. It does just kind of pop onto your hot shoe. Move that fluff away, and there you go. That's what the camera looks like with the muff on it. So yeah, it's a very nice feeling camera. I mean, it feels a lot more premium and heavier than the A5100 did in my hands when I did have it. It's a lot more, it's a very squarish build. It's small and squarish. It does feel slightly smaller than the M50 was and less bulky. So it's actually really perfect. So if you want to close this, if you want, just turn this off, let that zoom go back in. Yeah, if you want to kind of take this and just kind of pop it in your pocket, walk around with it, pop it out, do your vlogging, whatever you want to do. It is quite possible. It's very small, as you can see in my hand. If I kind of compare it to the iPhone, it's actually shorter than the iPhone. As you can see here, it's actually shorter and not as wide as the iPhone. Obviously it's a lot more chunky than the iPhone is, because it's a camera and this is a phone, which is flat, so there's not very useful comparison. But you know, it still stands that this is quite small. It's very small in your hands, and you know, you can just kind of carry it around with you wherever you want. And for the price range you're getting 120 FPS slow motion, and a whole bunch of other features that's content creator focused. It definitely is probably a better choice than getting your standard kind of mirrorless camera. Now, I don't know how accurate my comments are. You know, that's all based on the kind of reviews that I've seen online I am going to go ahead and review this bad boy now. I'm going to use it for a vlog. I'm going to use it for a little bit of vlogging, see how it is, test out all the features. Then I'm going to come back to you guys with my verdict on whether you should or should not grab this camera, or whether it's worth it, or how good this camera is, or what I think of it personally. You know, being a Canon user, is this Sony camera going to entice me going into the Sony world, or is it just going to completely push me away? I've already kind of fiddled around with the menu system a little bit just now while setting this thing up, and you can say that I'm not very fond of it. Anyways, I'm going to leave it at that. I've got this whole mess to kind of clear up now, and I'm going to get on to start testing this thing out, playing around with it, playing around with the features. I hope you guys found that entertaining and useful. You know, it's just seeing what you can expect in the box if you do buy this product. And if you did find it useful, then please do make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my video content in general. And you know what I'm going to say, guys, usual thing, every single video, I say it. If you want to know when my next video comes out, hit that notification bell. It means the world you guys are watching my videos, and I really do hope you guys find some use out of these videos. Until I can get this reviewed and back out to you guys, this is going to be Kai24 signing out.